Welcome back to another lesson in measurement. In today's lesson, we're going to look at how to find the surface area of a cylinder. It's not very long and it's not very hard, but it's just another step in the surface area kind of videos. So the first thing I want you to do is on your notes, I want you to draw the net diagram, which is this diagram to the right of this cylinder. So a cylinder is like the shape of a can, like if you go get a can of veggies from the supermarket, they're in a cylinder can. And so it has two round edges and then this rectangular bit. So this is that middle bit rolled out or flattened out. And we need to find this length, but to do that we need to find the circumference of the circle. And we often are told the height. Okay, so here's an example. So what I want you to do is I want you to pause this and draw the net diagram of the shape of the cylinder. Okay, so hopefully you drew your two ends and your rectangular center. Now, if you haven't done that, make sure you have put that in. If you have, again, pause it and add in some dimensions that you already know. So hopefully you ended up like this. Oops, I've got the times too. 6 centimeters and 12 centimeters are the ones we already know. This is the circumference. We're going to call these two A1, and this is going to be our A2, but I haven't labelled it. So A1 equals the pi times 6 squared. So to find the area of a circle, it's pi r squared. So we go pi times 6 squared, which gives us 113.1. And then we're going to times it by 2 because there's two of the circles, which gives us 226.2 centimeters squared. A2 is going to be the circumference times 12. So A2 will give us, well, first let's find the circumference. So 2 pi r, so the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So 2 times pi times 6, which gives us 37.7. And then we're going to go 37.7 times 12, because we're going to put our circumference here, which gives us a total area for A2 of 452.4 centimeters squared. Now we need to add them both together. And what our final answer should be is 678.6 centimeters squared. So that is it from me. Remember, if you have any questions, please make sure you ask. Otherwise, I hope you understood it. Thanks, guys.